This medium K9 Kennel Boss crate uses rigid yet relatively lightweight aluminum panels that feel far more secure and substantial than typical wire or plastic options. The fully collapsible design folds down into a suitcase-style shape in well under a minute, making it practical for travel, trials, and rotating between home and vehicle. Powder-coated surfaces and smooth interior seams make cleaning straightforward and help prevent grime from building up in corners or on exposed hardware. 16 reinforcing bolts let you stiffen the crate when you want maximum rigidity, which is especially reassuring for energetic working or sport dogs that still crate well. Stackable corners and the clean, neutral color choices allow this crate to fit neatly into multi-dog setups or tighter spaces without looking industrial or out of place. Built-in heavy-duty handles and the overall solid construction give the crate a reassuring, kennel-grade feel while still being manageable for one person to move when folded.